Question 1. What causes muscle soreness after exercise? A. Lactic acid. B. Dehydration. C. Tiny muscle tears. D. Low oxygen. Answer is C. Tiny muscle tears. Question 2. Which part of blood helps clot wounds? A. Red cells. B. White cells. C. Plasma. D. Platelets. Answer is D. Platelets. Question 3. Why does salt melt ice? A. It adds heat. B. It lowers freezing point. C. It absorbs water. D. It breaks ice bonds. Answer is B. It lowers freezing point. Question 4. What type of energy is stored in food? A. Thermal. B. Kinetic. C. Electrical. D. Chemical. Answer is D. Chemical. Science check how many surprised you.